In order to get your design onto a t-shirt, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson hybrid DTG print technology. You'll need a heat press, automated pre-treater, and the Epson F2270 printer. First, thread your garment onto the heat press. Place a sheet of parchment paper and press it down for about 20 seconds. Remove the parchment paper and now load your shirt onto the pre-treater, smoothing out any wrinkles, and press the button to spray. Carefully thread the shirt back onto the heat press and allow it to hover under the heat for a few minutes. Place a sheet of parchment paper back onto the shirt and press it for about 75 seconds. You're now ready to print on the shirt. In Garment Creator, open the design that you would like to print, choose your garment color, and press the print button. Carefully thread the shirt onto the quick load hanger platen and press the blue button to begin the printing. When the printing is complete, carefully thread your shirt back onto the heat press, place a sheet of parchment paper, and press for 75 seconds to cure the shirt. And that's how easy it is to get your design onto a t-shirt using the Epson SureColor F2270.